What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another at-home video. I am so excited to be doing these videos for you guys. We've already hit bicep and tricep. We've hit those glutes and we've hit those legs. So now it's time to do a little bit of this ab workout. During every exercise, I always tell you guys to make sure you engage your core. So it's time for us to kind of focus on the core. But these are going to be partner exercises. So if you don't have a husband who's willing to join you, ask one of your kids. And if your kids don't want to do it, put your feet underneath the sofa. It works the same way. You just need someone to hold those toes. I like to have a partner because it motivates me to keep going. So let's get started. In total, it's going to sound crazy. I know, but we're going to do 400 sit-ups, okay? It's going to be 4 sets, 4 different exercises, right? And 25 on each exercise. And then we'll rest 1 minute. So follow along, do the best that you can. If you need to stop in between to take a little bit of a breather, it is fine. And remember, only you know what your body can handle. So do your best and let's get these done. All right, guys, so the first exercise is a plank, but I like to make it a little bit even more challenging to where we'll actually be clapping like this at each one. So I'm gonna show you how we do these. You're gonna stand straight up. Do not have your butt like this, because that's cheating. Make sure you are at a plank, and then we're gonna start. 25, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm down together. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Immediately, we're going to jump into the next one. Grab your weight, your can of water, whatever it is, and we'll start this one. We're going to tie like this. If the person you're working with is a little bit taller, have them scoot back, scoot back. I'm a little bit shorter, so my legs don't go as far. You've got to keep the toes up. You see how I'm wrapped around him and he's wrapped around me? It's so that we can give support to each other. Grab your weight. We're gonna come back down, and then we're gonna bring it up. So here we go. Ready? 25. Cut them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, moving on. We're gonna do a Russian twist. A Russian twist, you can do this with or without weight. I'm doing it with weight, so make sure you're twisting your body completely. You're gonna go this way and this way. No weight, tap, tap. All right, so here we go. 25 of these, let's go. After you do those 25, next set is punch and back. So you'll come back, punch, across. Back, punch, across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count them down. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we'll rest for 1 minute, and then we're right back at it. All right, guys, let's start round 2. Back to our planks. Don't forget to make sure you clap and count. Here we go. Try not to do this a lot, okay?
5,
4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, right into it, guys. We're gonna wrap around. Make sure you're picking up those feet so you're that support for that person. You should be kind of pushing their calves up. Here we go. Grab your weight in your back. Up. Count them down. Here we go. And it's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Going right into it, we're gonna do that Russian twist. Remember, if you have no weight, make sure you're tapping and tapping, okay? But twist that entire body. If you have a weight, make sure that you're hitting all the way this way and all the way this way. So let's do it. Here we go, 25.
5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, last exercise, and it's 25. Don't forget, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count them down, here we go, and it's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest that minute, guys. On to round 3. You're almost there. Don't give up. Again, if you can't use the weight, that is fine. Don't worry about it. You need to do what your body can handle. So keep it up. You got this. Let's work on those abs. All right, guys. That concludes our 4 rounds of abs for a total of 400. Your abs should be on effing fire. If they're not, I don't know, I think you were cheating. Well, you killed it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Your abs should be on fire. I hope you didn't cheat. Remember, if you did, you're only cheating yourself. So push through these exercises, guys. You got it. If you got to take a little bit of a breather in between, that is fine. You do what's going to make you get through this exercise. So do your best. That's all that matters. And you know what? Going to the gym is a luxury, and you get to do this from the comfort of your own home. So really, to be honest with you, this is kind of better than going to the gym, if you ask me. So I'm enjoying these exercises. I'm enjoying working out with you. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time.